What's going on, guys? So today we are exploring 3, not 1, not 2, 3.
Actually, we were only able to visit one location. Due to COVID, the operation hours had changed and we arrived at the other sites too little, too late.
Places that are considered to be in abundance here. We're gonna go see a lagoon, a ruin, and a cenote. Cenote. It's actually a cenote. Te. Like if you want some te. Nah, some te. And mini mai. Let's go. We are at the first spot, CHOO-HA.
Cenote CHOO-HA is one of a series of 3 cenotes located close to the ancient Mayan ruins at Coba.
So this particular cenote is known for its ancient stalactites, and that's all of these.
CHOO-HA translates to the water that drips, in reference to the water dripping from its rock formations, the stalactites.
So because of COVID, this place is pretty much just for us. It's like a private experience right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get showered and then we're gonna dive in. Let's go, guys. Time to go in.
100 pesos is the cost to enter this marvelous site, which translates to just around $5 for a days-long experience, if you choose to stay that long, that is. CHOO-HA is an amazing experience, and I am not ashamed to admit that this video does not do it the justice it deserves. This is a place you must witness with your very own eyes.
That was incredible. It's like part of the stalactites are inside the water. And then when you get inside and you have these on, you can see parts of where they've been broken off from underneath and where they connected. All right, so we just finished swimming. We're gonna grab some food or eat a little bit first. We're still actually debating if after we eat we're gonna stay here a little longer, but right after that, for sure, we're gonna head over to the next location. So stay tuned. We were only able to go to one spot. It was the cenote. So now we're gonna go ahead and cry and go into clandestino instead. Anyone have anything to say?
No, we're fine.
All right, guys, we'll see you guys. Probably gonna go eat a little bit, head to the beach. Sorry, next time. Let's go check and see if our friends have entered the water yet. You did not enter the water. Finally, okay. I was like, we drove an hour and a half. Just you can stand